Living in an urban Dallas neighborhood offers plenty of advantages: close proximity to work, entertainment, dining, and vibrant community life. However, city living also brings constant background noise from traffic, construction, businesses, and busy streets. For many Dallas homeowners, unwanted noise can disrupt sleep, concentration, and overall comfort. One of the most effective solutions is upgrading to noise-reducing window designs that create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment without sacrificing style or energy efficiency. Here's how modern window designs help Dallas homeowners reduce noise and improve everyday comfort. Multi-pane windows that block sound waves. One of the most important features of noise-reducing windows is double or triple pane glass. Multiple panes create layers that interrupt sound vibrations before they enter the home. Benefits include reduced traffic and street noise, less disruption from nearby businesses or construction, a calmer indoor atmosphere. The space between panes acts as a sound buffer, significantly lowering noise levels inside urban homes. Insulated gas fills for added sound control. Between the glass panes of modern windows is insulating gas, commonly argon or krypton. While these gases are known for improving energy efficiency, they also enhance noise reduction. Gas-filled panes. Slow sound transmission, absorb vibrations, reduce echo inside rooms. This added layer of insulation makes a noticeable difference in busy Dallas neighborhoods. Laminated glass for maximum noise reduction for homes near highways or high-traffic streets. Laminated glass offers superior sound control. This glass includes a special interlayer that dampens sound vibrations. Advantages of laminated glass include significant noise reduction, added safety and impact resistance, improved indoor comfort. Laminated glass is often used in high-noise environments because of its effectiveness. Tight seals that eliminate noise leaks. Noise doesn't only travel through glass, it often sneaks in through gaps around window frames. Older windows with worn seals allow sound to pass through easily. Noise-reducing window designs feature precision-fitted frames, compression-style weather stripping, tight sash engagement. These seals close off sound pathways and prevent air leaks at the same time. Frame materials that absorb sound. The material used for window frames plays a role in noise control. Modern noise-reducing windows often use vinyl, fiberglass, or composite frames. These materials absorb sound better than aluminum, resist vibration, maintain sealing integrity over time. This improves long-term noise reduction and durability. Fixed and specialty window designs. Certain window styles naturally reduce noise better than others. Fixed windows, such as picture windows, don't open, which eliminates gaps and moving parts. Homeowners may combine fixed windows in high-noise areas, operable windows in quieter locations. This design strategy balances ventilation and sound control. Improved comfort beyond noise reduction. Noise-reducing windows don't just quiet the home, they also enhance overall comfort. Additional benefits include fewer drafts, more consistent indoor temperatures, reduced reliance on HVAC systems. This makes living spaces more comfortable year-round. Professional installation maximizes performance. Even the best noise-reducing window design requires proper installation to perform effectively. Professional installation ensures accurate alignment, complete sealing around the frame, no hidden gaps for sound to enter. Installation quality plays a critical role in sound control. Increased property value in urban areas. Homes with noise-reducing windows are highly appealing to buyers in urban Dallas neighborhoods. Quieter interiors stand out as a premium feature. These upgrades improve resale appeal, signal thoughtful home improvements, enhance long-term property value. A quieter home in the heart of Dallas. Noise-reducing window designs give Dallas homeowners the best of both worlds: the excitement of urban living and the comfort of a peaceful home. By combining multi-pane glass, advanced sealing, sound-absorbing frames, and professional installation, these windows dramatically reduce noise while improving energy efficiency and comfort. For homeowners looking to escape city noise without leaving their neighborhood, investing in noise-reducing windows is a smart, lasting solution that transforms daily living and restores tranquility indoors.